Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates iyodlala against iLayoli FC. Iclub ke le bafethu eqhamuka le Lesotho. Ngokuzwa kwami kuthiwa yawina ama-league awu2 kulandelana. Yabo the past seasons la ade bawadlalela ama-league bawawine awu2 kulandelana. So akusiyona i-team esingayithatha kancane, i-team le bafethu engasinikeza inkinga. So angifuni nje siyithathe kancane si-approach le first leg bazoyidlala la eToyota Stadium ngoba le Lesotho azikho i-stadium la bengahosta khona iOrlando Pirates. So i-first match yabo bazoyidlala le eToyota Stadium. So nayi mina line-up prediction engayishaya mase ngithola ithuba. Ungayishaya nawe line-up yakho kuma comments. Ungayigxeke yami ungitshele ukuthi eyakho ungayisetha kanjani. Yabo ngajabula kakhulu kwabona bafethu ama line-up yenu. First and foremost angifuni nje ukuyalina le ngizoqala nje ePalini. EPalini ngizoqalisa uSipho Chain. Angifuna ukushintsha kakhulu bafethu. You don't have to change izinto eziningi. This is a Champions League game, first game yama prelim. So kumele senze sure ukuthi sibophela isquad esiqinile. Kumele senze sure ukuthi siyafika kuma group stages. Singafiki nje kuma group stages, sifike kuma knockout stages, maybe sifike kwi final. Last season saphuma kuma semi-finals. Why don't we go for a final this season? So Sipho Chain at the back. Zithi isuka nje ama center backs ngizowasebenzisa. I will put 3 center backs at the back. Abantu abaningi bangasho ukuthi why uvane eqinisa kanje emuva bafethu. Ayithi ngoba ngiqinisa emuva angiqinisi kakhulu, angifuni ukuba nama wing backs kule game le. Kule game le angifuni ukusebenzisa ama wing backs kakhulu, but ke abadlali laba abazodlala ama wing backs ngifuna baphushe kakhulu phambili. So la emuva nginobani, nginombokazi, nginosiyema, base ngiba noSibisi. The reason why ngibadlalisa labajida mhlawumbe umunye umuntu angasetha ama center backs amabili asethe umbokazi benoCM. Both abajida bayakwazi ukudefenda, but when you have ama wing backs akho ahlezi phezulu umabili angabuye emuva azosiza, leyo nto leyo uzo expose i-defense. Yabo izo expose i-defense. So kungcono kube khona abadlali abawu3 abazohlala emuva. uSibisi usathana kubuya abafethu umjida simbonile against iStellies uwathole lawo minutes wadlala kamnandi. So I vouch for uSibisi uthi abuye mfethu akwazi ukuthi angene lapha athola ama minutes kancane kunezobuyela ku squad seOrlando Pirates because squad uthi sihlalise umjida ebenchini angayitholi game time. Mila athole lawo game time, athole lawo minutes. Melithola nje ithuba athola ama minutes kunezobuyela kancane gradually ku squad sa Abdeslam Modu because siqale ngayo vele umjida. He was very good with umbokazi. Siyema walithola ithuba lakhe na umjida wadlala kamnandi. So for me 3 at the back kanje bafethu. Ungangitshela wena ungaqalisa kanjani emuva. Mase ukuthi aba wingers engawadlalisa ama wingers ami ngaqalisa uSibelebele as i-right winger, mase ukuthi i-left winger engadlalisa ngadlalisa uDion Hot. Njoba ngishile bafethu labajida laba uma kuba khona inkinga ezoba khona bazodropa beze deep bazokwazi ukuthi basize i-team. Yabo basize i-team defensively because siyabazi vele bama wing backs, but ibile game lengabadlalisa sama wing. Umjida uyakwazi ukudlala as i-winger, uDion Hot uyakwazi ukudlala as i-winger. So I'll play them as wingers in this game but at my numbers up front because for me this is a mob justice football. This is a mob justice lineup. Ngifuna score more goals kule game le. So I'll play them as wingers mase ngiba nama defenders awu3 emuva azokwazi ukugada inkinga ezisa nama wingers noma nama attackers aqhamuka lapha ku club lesodlala nayo iLayoli FC. Mase ukuthi eswini ngizoqalisa bani, ngizoqalisa uTalente Mbatha benoSipho Mbuli. Talente Mbatha benoSipho I want them to move the ball. Yabo ngifuna balimove nje ibhola abafethu balimove. Mhlawumbe umuntu bengamqalisa uSehlenduli lapha, ngiba amqalisa uSehlenduli mhlawumbe enoTalente Mbatha, but for me I think kule game le angimele sithi ukuqina kakhulu eswini, semele nje sivule amasango eswini, sithi ukumove ibhola eswini because uma besidominator eswini ngeke beze kuthina. Yabo ngeke beze kuthina ngeshoti because akhona abadlali abazokwazi ukuthi basisize. I trust ukuthi uSibisi uzokwazi ukukhupha kancane asize team lapha ithukumaka uma ziba khona inkinga mebeqina. Last time uTalente Mbatha didn't play well because sadlala neteam evele eqinile eswini. Yabo so I trust uTalente Mbatha kule game liyasinikeze i5 star game. Yabo ngifuna just nize 5 star game. Ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoSipho Mbuli. Ngiyamazi bafethu uSipho Mbuli is that player. He's that player ohlezi esinikeza something. Yabo he's that player. But ke ungangitshela mfethu mhlambe yimi oyibuka kambi lento yabo. Mhlambe yimi oyibuka kambi, mhlambe ungasho ukuthi mhlambe ungamqalisa uSlepe just to get ama-minutes because angiyithandi lento ukuthi uSilephe mfethu last season he was playing kwi-national team, he was playing uBafana Bafana, but right now umjida akasawatholi isho ukwathola ama-minutes. Yabo mhlawumbe wena ungasho njalo ukuthi umjida ungamqalisa uSilephe athi uthola lawo minutes, but inkinga this is a Champions League game. Yabo akumele ngabe siyayi-disrespecta le team esiyodlala nayo, kumele ngabe siyabophela ngempela. And so far nje busibona ischeme sami 3 centre backs at the back, uMbokazi, uSiyema, ulomjida lo uSibisi, mase kuthi ama-wingers engawaqalisa kube uSibelebele as i-right winger, mase kube uDion Hotto as i-left winger, mase kweze Siswini ngidlalise uMbatha beNosipho Mbulu. Uyayibona nje so far le lineup le uthi iqinile. Yabo iqine ngempela, ilindele noma yini. So mina ngaqalisa kanje. Yabo ngangitshela kona isisi sakho singaba nje. Mase kuthi number 10 position, number 10 role, we saw umjida last game koSikazizilane Steelers, he was playing very very well as number 10. Ngosikhathi kukhishwa uSipho Mbulu, he played that position very well. So I'll start umjida lo Mfokeng, maybe start uTito Maswanganya. I saw uTito Maswanganya traveled with the team, so I vouch for uTito ukuthi mhlamba ayithole igame time, mhlamba uzoqala sasa. Yabo ingakho umjida ngimqalise mina as number 10. I don't know if uTito uzoqala noma cha, because siyakhumbula last game akangenanga, wayengekho isho benchini because wayethintekile. Yabo ngiyakhumbula uTito walimala. So mina lapha ku number 10 ngingamqalisa umjida uMfokeng. Mase ukuthi up front nayi ke la izoba controversial khona. Up front I'll start 2 strikers. Le striker lezi vele esinazo ezihlezi ishintsha ubani uMabasa benoMakgopa. The reason why ngibaqalise about 2 last game about 2 badlala indlela engafani. Simbonile uMabasa ungene nje late at the stage of the game, wathola igoli umjida. uMakgopa uyiqalile igame. Some people might say uMakgopa umjida akadlalanga kahle, umosha amathuba. Yeah, umsebenzi we-strike ukora amagoli, siyakwazi sonke lokho. Umsebenzi we-striker ukora amagoli, but when you look at indlela adlala ngakhona uMakgopa is not your typical striker. The boy is a hard worker. The boy knows how to run deep and carry the ball. Yabo, the boy knows how to go back and help the team defend. Yabo, so iyonto engiyithanda ngaye umjida akwazi ukudlala wide, alanda amabhola, afake ibhola eboxini, because most of the time ngibuye ngixakeke ukuthi why uMakgopa elanda ibhola ecrossa, ucrossela ba eboxini, because uyena umuntu ongabe uthola amabhola akora. So iyona into ehlezi ingixaka leyo ukuthi why mhlambe singamqalisi bethi uMabasa, because uMabasa he's a goal poacher, he's a sniper, he needs amabhola azongena eboxini. When you have uSibelebele benoDion Hotto as ama-wingers, you have those type of players who can give you amabhola ama-cross. The reason why nginabadlali abadlala yabo wide kanje, abadlala up there, because ngifuna bashaya amabhola ama-cross azongena eboxini khona umjida usniper ezothola yabo i-service. Iyona indlela engaqala ngayo bafethu le. Mase ukuthi ebenchini ke ama-super subs ami ngiyawazi ama-super subs, ama-super sub labajida labo Oswina Police and uThepha Morim, ibona bazongena bakwazi ukuthi buyisize i-team ithole u3 points uma sistrugglisha. But I don't think singastrugglisha ngeline up kanje. Sipho Chain, 3 defenders at the back, okuMbokazi, uSibisi, uSiyema, eSiswini sibe nobani, sibe noMbule, uMbatha, Sibelebele winger, right winger, left winger sibe nobani, sibe noDion Hotto, number 10 sibe noMfokeng, up front uMabasa noMakgopa. Ungangitshela wena yakhe lineup, for me le lineup imob justice le. Yabo I see amagoli la 4 to 5 goals. Ungangitshela yakho, yabo mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangathi ngidefensive, but angekho defensive, but ke you can tell me in the comments. Bafethu uvane lo ungakhohlwa subscriber. Bafethu sesifike ku 17,000 subscribers. That's a huge achievement right there bafethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu support eninikezwa yona uvane lo bafethu. Ngangikhohlwa ungifollowisha lapha ku Instagram nguvane sports nakhona. Uzobona nje leli page le lavane sports. Aliveli kahle but ngizonikhombisa ikipa zami masiniya lapha ka Facebook nakhona nguvane sports bafethu. Ngakhohlwa ungifollowisha. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngesupport eninikezwa yona bafethu.